is a lot. It's okay, sorry, for the next video. What's up, you guys? It's official Cheyenne K, and I'm back with another video. So today we are going to be doing the first, maybe not first, but one of the first episodes of Granny Cam. So what Granny Cam is, I was supposed to start it a long time ago. But basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys. I have a whole bucket of clothes. Okay guys, so this is the clothes. Got some tops, some pieces that aren't even ironed, some pieces that kind of are cute, some pieces that aren't. It's not too many. I'm gonna find 3 outfits. I have 15 seconds to look for the outfit, and I have to just grab anything with my eyes closed. Right, be in there thinking for the clothes with my eyes closed, and then I'm gonna show you guys the pieces. After I show you guys the pieces, I am then going to show you guys the outfit, how it came out. Let's go. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna mix up the clothes for about 10 seconds, and then I'll start the timer and give myself 15 seconds. I'm so excited. Okay. Hopefully it's fast. It's done, y'all. It's like my phone's broke. That's so annoying. Turn on sound. Now it works. Okay. Now we're gonna actually do the clothing now. We're doing the outfit. Coming for my whole life, y'all. Anyway, setting the timer. 15 seconds. Let's go. Shoot. Jordan, you're so cute. This, oh my god, I don't know like the way that feels. Look at this outfit. Yo, oh, my dog's right here. This outfit is gonna be crazy. Let's see what we're working with. This is the fit, guys. I love this top. I know that these do not really go with it, but the point is like if I could pull it off. You know what I mean? So first fit of Granny Cam officially, right? I'm standing on top of this thing because I have to do landscape for YouTube. These are my sweatpants, regular khaki sweatpants from H&M. This is a vintage top. I don't even know where this is from. My grandmother gave it to me. But I just love this collar. Like, I'm so in love with this collar. It just drives me crazy. Like I said, this stuff was, like, not even iron. This is the first, like, just scratch cam. I'm timing myself for the next fit. I'm gonna get the timer ready for 15 seconds. We're gonna do the second fit. I love this top, y'all. It's crazy. Right. And we are going. I know that is fun. I guess it's not no fun when I find stuff. How does I am? So the rule is I have to have a bottom and a top. Right now I have 2 tops. I still have to try to sport it, but I'm gonna go ahead and look for another bottom. Starting, giving myself 5 seconds. Go. I have 3 crazy like pieces that like I probably would never match together. So first piece I picked out regular bleach tee with like some rips on the side. Next, this like half crop top like hoodie from like a really cool brand, and then this orange skirt from another really cool brand. So let's try to make the fit. Okay guys, so this is the fit. I feel like if I had more time, you know, and I just had to randomly put these pieces together, I would definitely cut up this shirt more, maybe have it hanging off the shoulder. I don't know, I can play with this a lot. And I probably would just have this around in case it got cold, you know, so I'll probably be able to wear it, you know, like this, like tie it around my waist. Boom. Off the brand. I'll even probably go like this, y'all. I'm not gonna even play. I feel like this is cute. So this is kind of really bulky. I don't know if I would do this too much. I probably would just like let it hang. Like tie it back, you know, tuck it in or something like that. Cut it up a little more, iron it. And that's the fit. I like how the colors still kind of like go together. That's crazy. Okay. 15 seconds on the clock. Last outfit. We're going in. You see how I like be wearing the outfit as I go to the next one? It's like they're growing on me. I might just like do real shoots of these videos. I mean, of these outfits and see how I can make it pop in. Yeah. And I've been taking out like all the other outfits since I've been, oh, I peaked. Yeah, I'm starting over because I peaked. Sorry. I'm gonna go to the stuff I picked first. This stuff in my hand, you guys see me pick last. So I'm just gonna go to the side in case I don't have any shorts or anything. So I'm looking down now. This like half top bra. These like cheetah shorts. And of course this. What am I going to do? It's too much. Okay, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Maybe I'll like minus a piece if something's not working. But let's see how this goes. This is not what I expected. Okay guys, but this would probably be the fit. Like I had to make something out of nothing, literally. So my waist looks super. So what I had to do was I just put the bra on, and these shorts actually don't go that high, so I couldn't put them that high, but I did what I could. And then I would just kind of like, I guess, cover this. It's really tight right now because it just is. I'm not gonna undo it. I'll just kind of put that over there, make that nice. This is actually a jumper, so I would probably just make it wide enough so when I walk, one leg is on the other side and one leg is on the, you know, on the proper side, so it's not all together. I probably won't wear this. It's just a little bit too naked for me. It's a good idea though. Like, I think I like doing this because it gives me ideas of what I can do. Like, this would be a really cute like top. Like, this would be a really cute fit. Like, if I had a pattern here, same pattern top, and this little wraparound, you know, like, this is cute. This could be a new little style. I like this. This is gonna be a fun game. That's the fit. That's all for today. Okay, thank you guys for tapping in to my channel for this quick little granny cam exercise. So what is granny cam? Granny cam is literally, I posted it on my Instagram, but if you don't follow me, follow me. So yeah, I posted it on my Instagram. It's basically gonna be when I am testing out the waters of my closet and just seeing if I can just throw on anything and rock it. And yeah, this is not the fit that I would wear, but I'm still rocking it. You know what I mean? Like, it's going down. I'll see you guys next time on Granny Cam. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.